Today's video is about a review of a book that I read recently. It's The Palace of Illusion, and I've read from recommendation in the YouTube, and people were saying this is a great book, which do I agree with it. But let's give me my point of view according to the book. And I started around 1 month ago, so more than a month, like I took more than a month to complete the book. Why? There are many reasons behind it. So firstly, I do have an exams, it was not possible for me to complete or read every day at that point of time, and each and so that is the one. And the second is that the starting was great. Like there are many things that people don't know, and that book depicted each and every view, so that is very great. I love this. And the third is थोड़ा सा मेरे को बोरिंग लगा. I know people will not agree with it, and I understood completely, but I am not so much into mythological thing. तो मैं फील करती हूँ अगर आप सच में इंटरेस्टेड नहीं हो मैथोलॉजिकल थिंकिंग, स्पेशली व्हेन यू नो द स्टोरी एंड यू आर रीडिंग दैट अगेन, तो थोड़ा सा इंटरेस्ट मेरे लैक हुआ था. आई एम ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग, एंड दिस इज़ ऑल माई फॉल्ट. I'm not blaming the writer for this, because the writer, the way she has depicted the character of Draupadi and her POV in every kind of situations, and that is admirable. I really appreciate her for that. तो वो मैं राइटर को ब्लेम नहीं करना चाहती हूँ, बिकॉज वो मेरे को लगता है कि दिस इज़ माई फॉल्ट, बिकॉज आई एम नॉट सो मच इनटू मैथोलॉजिकल थिंग फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल. And the second is that I know the Mahabharat story, because there was a serial in 2013-14, and I have seen each and every episode twice. After completing the serial also, I watched again that Mahabharat show in Hotstar. So I completely know Mahabharat, each sentence, each scene. But still there are many things from Draupadi's point of view I think the show has not shown, which that writer has shown, and that is completely so much. But the most standout point that I want to mention is the last part of the book, where the Kurukshetra Yuddha just started, the war just has started. And before that, I don't think people actually know it. So the war and the before starting the war, the mental preparation and all of that, how she has written is mind blowing. And that I think she has written the from the war to the end of the book, it was around 150 pages or more than that. I read the whole 150 pages in one day, so that is so much interesting. And I think from Draupadi's point of view, if you see the Mahabharata, it actually felt different. It actually felt different for me, because we all knew, when we see from overall point of view, Mahabharata is different. When you see from Draupadi's point of view, it is different. Many of people I have seen telling that for Draupadi the war has started, and which I really don't believe it. For Draupadi, world has started. And even if I believe on the contrary, that yes, for Draupadi the war has started, and I think it deserves, because when the Vastraharan was happening, all of her husbands were just standing there and looking at her, maybe. And when she was shouting Kunti, and everybody was just looking at her, nobody came and helped her. Even they were the mirth of the society, they can do anything, they didn't came and help her at all. So I think if it actually happened, if for people believe it, I think it deserved. And there are many things that actually in this book we have seen, that in the Draupadi's point of view, that she was mostly misunderstood woman of the Mahabharata, and unlucky in, for male I will say Karna is the one of the most unlucky person in the whole Mahabharata, but in perspective of female, it's Draupadi, because she has done everything for her husbands and everything, and but at the end everybody just blamed the woman for causing the war and whatever. Like, for me, Draupadi is the strongest character in Mahabharata. And hats off to the writer of the book that she chooses this thing, like she chooses the character Draupadi to showcase the Mahabharata in different perspective. And after end of the book, like at the end of the book, I just realized that nobody was actually right in the book. You may think that बहुत लोग बताते हैं कि सत्य जो सत्य है उसका ही विक्ट्री होगा, बट इट इज़ नॉट ट्रू. हाँ, मे बी बिकॉज आई डोंट थिंक पांडव एवरी टाइम वो जैसे वार किया था, दे हैव टेकन सो मच अनफेयर टर्म्स, एंड दैट्स व्हाट दे हैव वॉन्ट. अगर अनफेयर टर्म्स नहीं लेता तो कभी ये वॉर दे कांट अचीव द विक्ट्री. सो इट्स लाइक दैट. And so please, I really recommend you, each and everybody, please read this book. You may feel a little bored in the middle, but when the war will start. And एक और बात, I think most of the people don't know कि Draupadi has seen the whole war from some mountain top, and कैसा फील होता है जब देखते हो आपके पुत्र, आपके बहुत ही करीब लोग मर जाते हैं एंड आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते. इतना हेल्पलेस फील होता हो आप किसी के पास, एंड आप सब जानते हो कि कौन क्या कॉन्स्पिरेसी कर रहे हैं, एंड यू कैन टेल योर हस्बैंड टू दैट. सो दिस इज लाइक द मोस्ट डिवास्टेटिंग थिंग्स फ्रॉम द पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, एंड इट रियली अफेक्टेड मी. लाइक पता नहीं यार, बहुत लोग बताते हैं महाभारत से बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलता है. डेफिनेटली बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलता है, बट मेरे को पता नहीं यार, दिस इज़ वेरी अनफेयर टू द्रौपदी एंड कर्ण, स्पेशली कर्ण, एंड द्रौपदी हैज़ अ लव फॉर कर्ण, यू नो. तो आई थिंक अगर फेथ और डेस्टिनी जो भी बताओ कि हैज़ अ डिफरेंट प्लान, एंड वो सब लोग बताते हैं कि अच्छे प्लान है, आई डोंट थिंक दैट इज़ द ग्रेटेस्ट. वो क्या ही हासिल किया. Like Draupadi, we know that she is the powerful woman of Indian history, most powerful woman of Indian history, and whatever she has gone through, no other woman had gone through in Indian history. And yeah, in today's generation is different, because maybe the women are getting treated worse than she has been treated. But at that time, in front of her husband, they didn't come forward to help her. And most important, I didn't like the character of Kunti at all. Kunti, the mother of Pandavas, she ill-treated her for no reason, because देखो एक होता है कि and then she just left Karna. So that is, I think she was the most hated character for me. ठीक है यार, कौरव वो बुरा था, सब लोग जानते हैं, बट कुंती ऑल्सो बुरा था. तो महाभारत एक्चुअली आपको बुक पढ़ना चाहिए, एंड इसके बाद यू विल सी अ डिफरेंट साइड ऑफ महाभारत विच यू शुड नो. प्लीज़ रीड इट, एंड आई genuinely recommend this kind of books to you. I'm not fan of, as I told you, mythological thing, but this book is different, yeah. And then when you look at the serial in the like the Draupadi, कि पता नहीं यार, मैं जो बता रहा था कि जो होता है अच्छे के लिए होता है, डेस्टिनी का बहुत ही अच्छे प्लान होते हैं, एंड आई डोंट थिंक द्रौपदी के लिए और कर्ण के लिए कोई अच्छे प्लान होते हैं. एंड दीज आर टू कैरेक्टर्स, द्रौपदी एंड कर्ण, आर एक्चुअली द रिलेटेबल कैरेक्टर्स ऑफ टुडेज जनरेशन. द्रौपदी हैज़ एक्चुअली लव फॉर कर्ण, एंड बट डेस्टिनी हैज़ अ डिफरेंट प्लान. अगर एंड द्रौपदी किस चीज़ से गुज़रते हैं, लाइक वो उसके हस्बैंड के साथ 12 साल वनवास में गया था, एंड शी स्पेंड एवरी फकिंग टाइम, एंड व्हेन कुंती सेड शी हैज़ टू मैरी ऑल 5 ऑफ हर हस्बैंड, शी डिड, एंड लाइक वो बहुत ही मिसअंडरस्टूड वुमन था, एंड शी नेवर felt love in her lifetime. Abhi, because of this, that is something different, but only Krishna. Like at the end of the book, please read the book. Please read the book. Like the last chapter of the book, it is fucking brilliant. I can't explain you by the words. I'm very bad at words or explaining things, but I really recommend you please go and just watch the movie. That will change your perspective towards life. That will change you internally also. So thank you. This is today's video and और भी चाहते हो नेक्स्ट बुक क्या? मेरे को अभी इतना इतना डेप्थ कोई बुक नहीं लगा मेरे को, तो लाइक द वे आई फेल्ट फॉर दिस. अगर नेक्स्ट बुक की रिकमेंडेशंस और मेरा पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू चाहते हो तो डेफिनेटली आई एम गोइंग टू टेल, एंड प्लीज़ रिकमेंड दिस काइंड ऑफ बुक्स जिसमें आई नो देर इज़ अनदर बुक्स बाय हर चित्रा बैनर्जी ओनली, so I'm going to read that. So bye for today. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.